some baby making music. When was the last time you listened to such music? Michael Bolton. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Wigs for Life, where we celebrate all things wigs and beauty. And yes, this is a wig that I'm wearing. We'll get to it shortly. But first and foremost, I just wanted to say thanks to all my new subscribers and old subscribers. Thanks for being a part of my journey in finding myself again after accepting my hair loss. So I'm really grateful, you guys. Thanks so much. And so grateful that coming up this week, I will be making a video of my giveaway. I am now pushing towards 1,000 subscribers, and so I just want to be appreciative of all the support that I've received over the years. Yeah, I'm just really appreciative of your love and for supporting my channel. So thank you very much, you guys. So be on the lookout for that video coming up soon. So today we have another unit by Simply Go Hair. This is a, as you can see, tribal Ghana cornrow inspired ponytail that you can do a top knot with unit. It's got 4 combs, it's got straps at the back. It's a 360 unit, so that means there is lace at the back and some baby hairs which I need to cut down and adjust. I need to really adjust those. Those are too long. But yeah, and I need to obviously adjust the ones on the front too. But I was so excited to show you this unit, you guys. I thought I'd just come on and show you this unit. Now, let me just pull you straight in so you can have a look at my edges. So can you see that, you guys? How natural does that look? And what I intend to do, instead of laying the baby hairs down in the way that other YouTubers may do, I tend to just wet them and then just sweep them down, and they tend to just lie like that. I did that yesterday, and I used glue and double-sided tape to hold it down. I've not done that now because I wanted to show you how natural the lace is. Can you see that, you guys? So all of that was lace, all of that. So this unit is just beautiful, you guys, and I think it is a different look. I appreciate that, but it's the sort of look that personally, even if I wanted to, I could never achieve without having a wig. So I'm pleased as puss, as the saying goes, to have a wig like this that I can express myself in a different way. With this, if you don't know me and know that I have hair loss, you would never know it's a wig, right? You'd never know. But you guys, this is just fantastic. It is comfortable. It is very light. I'm not even using a rubber band to hold that top bun in. Look. So it comes like this. Yeah. So you could even wear it down as a ponytail like so. But I wanted to wear a top bun. So all I did was that. I mean, to make sure that the bun stays in place, you could secure it with a little hairband or something to secure it. But otherwise, to be honest, yesterday I wore this unit all day, and that's what I did. I used nothing to hold it in place. Now the unit's not quite stuck to my head, so it's just slipping back a little bit. But you can imagine if you had hair and you've engaged the combs, this unit is going nowhere. But for me, because I have no hair for the combs to be engaged, I need to actually glue it down for it to stay in place. Now you can use tape, you can use hair glue, you can use got to be glued gel. There's so many videos here on YouTube showing you how to do that, so I won't bore you with that, but that's also a very good option so you don't destroy your edges. It's just hair gel and you can just simply wash that out afterwards, whereas glue would stick to your hair and probably pull your hair out. But another option to remove glue, so that you know, you can use olive oil or coconut oil and just sort of rub the edges, pour it on your hand, your fingers, rub it into the lace, rub it in, and leave it on for a bit, then rub and rub and rub again, and it will just lift off. So that's another way to safely remove a lace wig from your head without destroying your edges. But for me, doesn't matter. But what I tend to do is put my double-sided tape down first, put the glue on top, and then put my wig on. In that way I have less product to clean up off my skin afterwards, and it just makes taking off the wig a lot easier, because all I have to do is lift the tape and the wig's off. So, but you guys, this wig is the kind of wig that you want to wear when you go into the beach. You don't want to have your hair getting wet, or you're going shopping and you don't want to, every time you bend down over, you know, hair is in your way and you're having to do that and it's annoying. Well, I find it annoying anyway. It looks fab, but it's annoying when you're doing your chores, you know, day to day. But, you know, you still look classy, you still look together, you still look like you tried, you know, you still look fantastic. It's a sort of wig that you could wear to work as well, without looking like you're doing the most with a 30-inch butt length wig. So, you know, it can be worn in the corporate world because it's a top bun, right? So yeah, I'm loving this unit. The way the cornrows are made as well in that direction, you can sort of put it on your head in a way that you want it to go. Can you see that, you guys? It's a bit too far forward, but can you see you can sort of wear it in different ways? Or you can just have the cornrows going from that direction. Now, the thing to tell you, the back is the comb at the back. Now, the comb at the back is at the center of my neck, so I know that's the true back of the wig. But yeah, this is just gorgeous, you guys. You need to go and get yours. She's coming up with a website very soon. I'm rambling on and I really didn't want this video to be so long, but she's coming out with a website soon. I'll keep you updated on that, and that will make it easier for you to order. In the meantime, you can order in the same ways. I'll leave all those details down below in the description bar, telephone number, or on Facebook or Instagram, DM her. She'll get back to you very swiftly, and pay through PayPal if that makes you feel more comfortable. That availability is there as well. So I'll speak to you again soon, you guys. Coming out this week, remember, is the announcement for the giveaway. If you're not subscribed or have pressed the bell down below to get notification of my upload, you'll miss out on what will be a fantastic giveaway. Details coming soon. Speak to you again soon, my beauties.